Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is for seventh grade. Today it's April 23rd, 2021. The class for today is reading class. Okay, I know we need to practice a little bit more speaking skill because it's complicated, but we will continue practicing. So don't forget in your house, you practice to talk 2 minutes and half, half, and then you are going to talk for the next class. So you talk about your family, your house, your personal information, and about your routine. So what do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon and on Sunday and Saturdays, on Monday, Tuesday, whatever. So first hour in the morning, I wake up in the morning. I wake up around 4 in the morning. I take a shower. I get dressed. After that, I take my lunch. I have a lunch, so I have lunch. I brush my teeth, and then I go to school. So you can say that your routine. After the school, I go home. In my home, I watch TV, I relax, I sleep. Whatever you do, your routine. You can talk about your routine on Sunday. On Sunday, I play soccer. I wake up very late. I have a big breakfast. Sometimes I go with my family to walk. Sometimes I ride bicycle. Whatever you do on Sunday, correct? Try to talk for 2 minutes and half. And I listen to you. Got it? This? Good. And Maria Camila Tejes, are you there, Maria Camila? Maria Camila Tejes, are you there? Maria Camila, can you
Yes,
talk to
teacher.
me? Is possible for you to talk?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you know the song We Will Rock You? Do you remember the song We Will Rock You? Hello, do you know the song We Will Rock You? Maria Camila. Okay. Anyway, just do a next class, okay? You need to read the song We Will Rock You. Okay, next class, you are going to read the song We Will Rock You. Got it? So now let's go for the reading this class. This class is about reading comprehension. All right. We're gonna read this article about uh, Albert Einstein. It was or Einstein. Some people say Einstein. Some people say Einstein or Einstein. Okay, and let's see. Let's look before we read this reading. What you need to do is to listen the questions. Okay, so listen to the reading. A famous immigrant work in pairs discuss the question, who was Albert Einstein? Where was he from? Remember, was is the verb to be. Fue o estuvo. Where was he from? Which of these was, not was he? A biologist, a chemist, or a physicist? Where did he die? Read the biography and check your answers. Write the events of Albert Einstein's life on the timeline. Work in groups, discuss the questions. Why did Albert Einstein decide to stay in the US? B, what other reasons do people have for immigrating to other countries. Got it? So according to this, we're gonna answer this. So we have already the questions. Now let's read this. This man, I hope so you already know this man. This man was, remember, we are studying the past tense of to be. To be in past tense was where. Remember, was es fue o estuvo. Okay. Nevertheless, was born, it's to us. Last class, I was explaining to you that when you say was born, it means in Spanish nació. Okay, nació. This is past tense, nació. So Albert Einstein was born. Albert Einstein was born. Nació. This is the verb nació. Good. So now, remember, it's very important when you are reading in English. When you are reading in English, first of all, what you need to do is to, let me see here. Oh, hold on one moment. Let me see here. We're here. Okay. Activity number one for this reading is to maybe is to be. What about it? Okay, perhaps better. This is better. So notice, activity one in the reading process is to look for the words that you don't understand. Remember, it's very important that you separate, you underline, circle the words that you don't understand. This is an example. I don't understand. This is an example. I don't understand what is scientist. I don't know. So I give a circle. I don't understand what is was born. So what is it? I don't know. So you give the circle the words that you don't understand. Of course, this will be individually. Individually. Okay. So another example, Victor Samuel Gonzalez. In your case, you say, oh my God, what is it? I don't know what is at. So you circle the words that you don't understand. I don't understand what it means enjoy it. So individually dislike it. I don't know what is this. What's this? So activity one, circle the words that you don't understand in the test. I don't understand what is this. What is that? I don't understand what is this. Work. I don't understand what is this. Find, to find a job. Job. What is this job? Clerk. What is clerk? You know? So be careful with that. First, look for the words that you don't understand. Then you can understand what is the meaning or what's the idea about reading. Came. What is came? What is that? Europe or eventually. What it means eventually? Eventually, what is that? Become. What it means become. Citizen. What it means citizen. What is that? Diet. What is diet? So look for the words that you don't understand. It is very important that you understand the words. It's very important that you think, or you know the words, or you know the words, and then you can write a list here. So you say number one. So number one, it's scientist. So you write here scientist. Number two, it's Number two, it's another example. Make a list. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. So enjoy it. It's so you whatever you think it is. So you give a circle and then you write. Correct? You got it. This is that clear? So I give you 4 minutes to look for the words that you don't understand. So is there Juan Pablo Reyes? Juan Pablo Reyes Segura, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Excuse me. Uh, you understand what you have to do? Do you understand what you have to do?
So, teacher.
Let me explain. So activity one, in Spanish. Activity uno es buscar o un círculo palabras que no conozca el texto. Okay, circle. I don't
Okay.
understand, circle. Okay. Two, separate. Separa las palabras que no entiende el texto. Separate y las escribe si tiene el libro, pues las escribe al ladito. And give or, write like a list, como un listado. If you don't have, what you need to do is to write on your notebook. And then we're going to read. Ready? So do you want me to read now? So did you finish? ¿Ya terminaron? Did you finish? Continue?
No, teacher.
Okay, good. I'm waiting for you. Estoy esperando, no problem. So copy the words that you don't understand. Okay, let me explain to you. Uh, when reading exercise, we do three activities. Activity one is vocabulary, words that you don't understand. Activity two, reading mentally, so like audiobooks. And three, answer the questions. How? Ready? Ready? Are you ready? Okay, number two. Let's go number two. Okay, let's go to the exercise number two. Everybody, ready? Everybody, hello? Ready? Are you ready? So Nicole Riaño, are you ready?
Yes,
Nicole.
teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
Esteban Parra, are you ready, man? Ready? Esteban Parra, are you ready, man? Okay, let's do it. Activity two is listen and read mentally. Reason and silence. I'm going to read for you and you listen the sounds and you try to understand. Okay? One, two, three. Biography, Albert Einstein. This is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a very important scientist. He developed developed the theory of relativity. He was born on March 14th. He was born in March 14, 1879 in Germany. He studied at secondary school in Munich. He enjoyed his classes and was a good student, but he disliked the strict discipline. He stopped going to that school when he was 15. Albert Einstein's family moved to Pavia, Italy in 1894. He finished high school in Switzerland and entered a science school. When he finished, a friend helped him to find a job as a clerk in the Swiss Federal Patent Office in Bern. Einstein worked at the Patents Office from 1902 to 1909. Those years were very productive for Einstein. The job allowed him time for physics, and he published his greatest works. Einstein visited the United States for the first time in 1921. He was in the US again in 1933. When Adolf Hitler came to the power in Germany, Einstein decided not to return to Europe. He eventually decided to become a United States citizen in October of 1940. He died in Preston, New Jersey on April 18, 1955. Good. So activity two finished. It is listen and try to read mentally. Now, let's go to the comprehension. Let's go to answer the questions. So, question number one. The question number one is for Juan Andres Cárdenas. Are you there, Juan Andres Cárdenas? Juan Andres Cárdenas is not there. Okay, so let's go to Isabel Sofía Guevara. Isabel, Isabel. Hello, Isabel. No? Oh my God. Okay, let's go to María Camila Rodríguez González. María Camila.
Yes.
Okay, now please, María Camila, Answer the questions, okay? Who was Albert Einstein? Who was? Who was Albert?
Um,
Who was Albert Einstein? You tell me. Do you understand the question? Camila, do you understand the question? ¿Entiendes
no,
la,
un momento ya.
entiende la pregunta?
Sí, ¿quién es? Ajá, sí. ¿Quién es Albert Einstein?
Fue, past tense. Remember, this is past tense. Who
Ok.
was? So who was Albert Einstein? He was, who was? He was, do you understand? Who was Albert Einstein?
Fue en inglés, ¿bien?
Yes, please.
It was a fish. Ay, profe, cómo se pronuncia? O sea, física en inglés. Sí.
Physics, physical physics.
Ajá.
He wasn't or
Entonces,
scientific.
I it was a physical.
Okay, so this he was a physics. So here we have physics, physical. It was a physics. Okay, is this physics?
He um
Okay, now number
he
two. No,
is
he was a physics.
considered.
He was a physics scientist. Yes, he was a physics scientist. Scientist. Okay,
Okay.
scientist, científico, scientist, un físico, científico. Okay, physics. Okay, good. Maria Camila, and where was he from? Where was he from? Do you understand the question?
Alemania.
Repeat.
Alemania.
¿Cómo se dice él fue de Alemania?
Em, de, em, de fue.
He,
Mm,
he, he, él fue. Y was quiere
sí.
decir fue. He was from, he was from, ¿él fue de dónde?
De Alemania.
He was, yes,
He
he
was.
was from Germany. Germany. Okay, good. He was from Germany. Yes. Okay. Albert Einstein. Which of these was es fuego o estuvo, no? Which of these was he? A biologist, a chemist, or a physicist? Physicist. Physicist. This. You need to choose one of them. Choose one.
Um, es um, física.
Yes, physicist, physicist. Yes. Okay, good. And the last question, where did he die? Do you understand that? ¿Tú entiendes la pregunta antes de que sigamos, María Camila? Where did he die?
¿Dónde, dónde
Died.
hizo?
¿Entiendes
No.
esta palabra die?
No.
Morir. Entonces tú buscas esa palabra, entonces
Okay.
die es morir. ¿Dónde murió? Where did he die? Where did he die?
University Medical.
Yes, exactly.
Eh,
Yes. USA. That's another answer. USA. Yes. Princeton, but it doesn't say because look here. Uh, he died in Bristol, New Jersey on April. This is the answer, but another possible answer in the US. Okay, no problem. Got it? Good. Very good. It was very good. Another student I need it's Miguel Angel Kitiana. Are you there, Miguel Angel? Miguel Angel. Hello, Miguel Angel. Miguel Angel, no, it's not here. Salome, Dalia Salome Sanchez or Emiliano. Emiliano, are you in the class? No. Okay. Another one. Let me see to Jerónimo. Are you in the class? Jerónimo Lara. Sara Manuela. Sara Manuela López. Sara Manuela López. Sara. Hello, Sara. Sara Manuela, are you there? Sara Manuela López. Oh my goodness. Sara, hello, Sara, hello. Sara, hello. Sara, Sara. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me see here. We have Daniel Felipe Briseño. Daniel Felipe Briseño. Daniel Felipe. Isabel Guevara. Isabel Guevara, are you in the class? Oh, Jesus. Guevara, Isabel. Look here, weird. Isabel Guevara, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, listen. Look at this. Three, write the events of Albert Einstein's life on the timeline. Look at this. So Albert Einstein was born in Germany in this date, okay? So what's happening in 1894? What happening? Do you know? Do you know or not? Yes or not? Hello?
No, teacher.
Okay, no problem. So look up here. So 1894. 1894, Albert Einstein and his family moved to Avia, Italy. So the answer is, so what happened in this year? Albert Einstein and family moved to Italy, correct? You understand me? So you have to copy this and the answer. Oh, let me see if it's, oh my God. Let me see one moment. Let me see if we can do it. I got it. Okay, here. Oh my goodness. So let me say. Isabel Sofia Guevara, 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 Guevara. I got it, Guevara. So, uh, question. Okay, so in 1894, 1894, Albert Einstein. So you have to write Albert Einstein's family moved to Pavia, Italy. Okay, so you copy this here. Okay, copy this. Correct? Do you understand? Ready? Continue. Let's continue. Isabel Sofia. Isabel Sofia, what's happening in the year 1902? 1902. What happening? Do you remember? No? Okay. Einstein, the scientist, worked at the patent office from. So Albert Einstein worked. Okay, this work. So this is the answer. So you copy the answers here. Isabel Sofia, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh my goodness. Yes or not? Okay. Another student. Oh my goodness. It's complicated. Juan Andres Cárdenas, do you listen to me? Cárdenas?
Professor, in this triple chat.
Okay. No, I know it's complicated. Okay, let me see. Okay, no problem, Isabela. Isabel Guevara, no problem. Don't worry. No, no, no hay que preocuparnos, okay? A veces pasa. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. Let me see another. Juan Pablo Segura Reyes, are you there, Juan Pablo?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tell me what's happening in the year 1921. What's going on? What's happening?
In what, teacher?
What's going on? What's happening in the year 1921? 1921 to Albert Einstein. What's going on? What's happening?
Teacher, you can listen me?
I hear
Audio.
you. Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yes. Albert Einstein visited the United States for the first time in yes in this time. Einstein
Mm.
visited of the United States.
So in the year 1921, Albert Einstein visited the United States, correct? So he was the first visit. Let me
Yes.
see. Okay, that was good. That's the correct answer, but I'm looking here and I don't see that. I don't see this. Where is it? My goodness. Oh, here. Einstein visited the United States. Correct. So this, you're going to write here. Perfect. And what's going on in 1940? What's happening here?
As your
1940.
1940,
Yeah, what happening?
uh,
Albert Einstein what?
he visited he
He what?
visited so the United States evaluate I don't say
No,
reality.
no, he
He he did in
diet.
Prince Center.
Diet.
Diet. Diet
Diet.
in
He
Prince.
diet. Go to diet. He died. Okay, so he died. And final, so you need to write he died, this part in Bristol. New Jersey, no, okay, that's he died. And finally, Segura Reyes, very good, your participation. Segura Reyes, and what's going on in 1955? No, 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 no. We're wrong. No, we're wrong. This is a mistake. In 1940, he became a United States citizen. In 1940, he became a United States citizen in October. Okay? So
Yes.
this is citizen. Here, citizen. Se convirtió en ciudadano americano. Citizen. Citizen, ciudadano. And finally, in 1955, what's happening in 1955?
He's in New Jersey
He died.
in April.
Yes, he died.
Yeah.
So in 1940, he became a United States citizen. And here in 1955, he died. Okay. So class is almost over. Finish the class. So I hope so you understood a little bit this reading. Creo que entendimos un poquito la lectura. Lo más importante era buscar palabras en el diccionario y completar las respuestas. ¿Ok? Any questions? ¿Alguna pregunta?
No,
So,
teacher.
okay, so we are on page 35. Class is over, so see you next